Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in to your Vidmate account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign into your Vidmate account, firstly open your Vidmate application. The official page of Vidmate application will appear on the screen. Click on the sign in button on the top left corner of the screen. On the next page, enter your email address and then tap on next. Confirm your mail and verify your email address. The home page of Vidmate will appear on the screen in no time. This is how you can log into your Vidmate account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.